from the river of sin, I could be set free. And though there's no way for me to repay you, I give you my life, my heart, all I do. And oh, what love divine, that you would give your life for mine. And though sometimes it's hard to see, I'm grateful for you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And oh, what a feeling, oh, what a joy. The words can't express. Through your death I've been blessed, and grace not deserved is not only mine, but eternally I'll give it in the land without time. And oh, what love divine, that you would give your life up for my God. And with every breath I will make you see, I'm grateful for you. I'm so very